Hi there, welcome to a walkthrough of my app that I've made using AngularJS and Rails. In this app, I am logging the readers and the books that they read. And I can also assign books to the readers and add readers as well as add books. So here I have three tabs: Home, Readers, and Books. So as you can see, the page is not refreshing, but it navigates through these links without a page refresh. So now let's take a look at the Readers tab. Here I have Readers where a person can add a reader, and as you can see, it is disabled right now, and you will not be able to add a user unless you start typing in here. And it has to be a minimum of 3 characters to be able to get this button to work. So I'm going to go ahead and add a user here. Let's say I want to add Jacob. And I say add reader, and you can see there's Jacob in our list now. And as you can see, I made a typo, so I want to go ahead and edit it, but I don't want to browse everywhere and try to do that. So we have this update reader, dynamic updating that we can do using AngularJS. So Jacob Stein, there you go, and it updates the reader. And I can show you the log on my Rails server in the command line. You can see these SQL being fired every single time that I was trying to update the user, add the user. So you can see that all that happened without page refresh. How cool is that? And then I have the search box here where you can type in the name of the user, and you will be able to find them dynamically. It updates the user immediately. So HI, so there's no one by that name. So as you can see, it does that quite nicely. Now you can also click on each user and look at the details about that user. So if you click on any of these users, and you can see the view changes for each user. Each user has a different amount of data, so it looks, sometimes you'll see the page change differently, but you can see it's just updating that view so quickly. Okay, so now that we have our user's profile or the reader's profile, I am also able to add assign books to them. So for example, now I can see that Andrew Jackson hasn't read any books. So I am going to go ahead and assign him a book to read. So let's go ahead and assign him The Life of Pi. And you can see how it updates the list of books this person can read. So you can go ahead and assign that, and probably in the next part of this app, I will be adding a minutes column where I can track, I will be able to see how much time they spent reading that book. And probably they could, I guess they should be able to vote for books that they liked or rated or something like that. So I could probably do something like that in the future. And also now let me go ahead and add all these books. So we have a number of genre here. Or let me just pick another user here. So for this user, you can see there is a lot of genre that this person has read from. And you can filter through the genre. I don't have a genre by TH, and you can see it does not find anything. But if I go ahead and do biography, it's able to find it. So there's the filter, custom filter for genre, and I've already added the user. And then there's a books tab, where you can also do the same kind of actions. You can look at all the books, and you can also add a book. I need to add one more field in here to be able to do that. So I just got all the readers tab functionality working, and I'm going to do the same for the books tab. So then my app is going to be complete. Thank you for watching.